Hi, we're interviewing Debbie, and she's going to tell us a little bit about the health problems she had and the care she received at Monmouth Advanced Medicine. Why don't you start off by giving us an idea of what brought you to the office?
Well, about 18 years ago, I came to Dr. Zodkoy. I had problems with my neck, and he treated me at that time, and everything went fine. And then years later, I had problems with my back, and I started going to the orthopedic doctor, figuring that I would probably need some physical therapy, in which I did physical therapy a couple of times, and it really wasn't resolving the issue. I would constantly, what?
Oh, yeah, I was just going to ask you, what was the diagnosis that the orthopedist gave you?
For my back?
Yes.
I had herniated discs in the L4, L5.
And were you having pain down in the back and the leg?
Oh yeah, I had pain in my back, down my leg, tingling, and under my left foot.
And how long did you have that before you came to Monmouth Advanced Medicine?
Probably a good year. So I had gone through a couple of rounds of physical therapy, and then it just got to be so bad that I couldn't sit, I couldn't stand, and the tingling was almost constant. And one day I woke up, I couldn't even lift my leg, and I went to work, and at work somebody had referred me back, said, why don't you go back to Dr. Zodkoy? And so I called up, and they said, come in. I went in after work, and he went over all my symptoms. I already had an MRI, so I knew what my diagnosis was, and he recommended the disc decompression machine, and he got me started on it right away, and I had instant relief once I got off the machine.
What kind of work do you do, and was your problem interfering with your work?
Yes, I work in a hospital. I do patient care, and I also work at the desk. So the problem is that I sit and I stand, and the disc problem aggravates when you sit and stand too long. So I was, incapacitated a little bit there.
And how long have you been treating at the office, and what kind of results have you gotten so far?
I've been coming to the office about 3 weeks now, and I had instant relief from day one, which was just amazing. I mean, I was able to sit without pain. I was able to lift my leg somewhat, more than that morning, but now I have absolutely no pain. But I continue to come to make sure that it stays away, because unfortunately with physical therapy, you would feel some relief that morning, but the pain would come back the next day or even that evening, and so far, knock on wood, I have not had any recurrent pain.
Great. Do you have anything else you'd like to say about Monmouth Advanced Medicine and Dr. Zodkoy's care?
Dr. Zodkoy, I feel, is very knowledgeable. He's been in the business a very, very long time. And his office staff is great. Marie's wonderful about getting appointments and working with you, and the whole experience is just so relaxing, and it's amazing that I feel this good. I haven't felt this good in years.
Great. Would you mind if we share this with the general public?
Absolutely not.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.